Now, there's a big controversy which is brewing over the changes being made in the Class 12 political science textbook. The National Council of Education Research and Training has introduced several significant changes in Class 12's political science textbook, and this has now led to a big political face-off. Another notable change is the removal of the term Azad Pakistan, which has now been changed to Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Reference to India's border situation with China has also been added. The abrogation of Article 370 has also been mentioned in the newly updated textbooks. Congress is slamming the centre for the term Babri Masjid, which has now been referred to as the three-domed structure in the new edition. A new chapter on Ayodhya has also been condensed to from 4 pages to 2 pages. Congress MP, in fact, Jairam Ramesh earlier hit out at the NCERT, calling it an RSS affiliate organization and also saying that NCERT should not be making sure that they come out with political pamphlets.
We don't know why they have gone for that book, or the experts who are setting the papers. You can't stop them. But we have our books with us. You can verify it from the latest books. You can verify it from 2020 onwards. The correct version is there. The book is absolutely correct. There is no fault with the book.
शिक्षा व्यवस्था इससे निर्धारित होनी चाहिए. अब तो प्रियम्बल का उल्लंघन कर रहे हैं. किस तरह के लोग निर्णय ले रहे हैं, किस आधार पर ले रहे हैं? बच्चों को सब जानना चाहिए कि घृणा, नफरत, हिंसा के बावजूद हिंदुस्तान कैसे इवॉल्व किया. मैं समझता हूं ये थोड़ी भी अगर चिंता होती ना देश के भविष्य की, बच्चों के भविष्य की, तो इस तरह की हरकतों से बचती.
NCERT is a body which must see that textbooks are written in such a way objectively, without any bias, partisan nature. And NCERT should see the textbooks are very objective, authentic, and history must be taught as history, factually correct part of the history. Now the NCERT is really getting into trouble. Why and at whose command? NCERT should explain.
My colleague Milan, who tracks the Education Ministry, is now joining me on the story. Milan, we have seen how one after the other controversies are now erupting with regards to the new chapters that have been added and the old ones that have been deleted in the NCERT textbook.
Well, Aishwarya, this is part of the syllabus rationalization that the NCERT was working on for the last 2.5 years. And some of the stark eliminations or deletions have been the mention of the Babri Masjid in the Class 12 political science textbook. Along with that, already in year 2022, there was a deletion regarding the Gujarat riots, as well as other controversial subjects such as the controversy surrounding emergency. Many of the paragraphs have been curtailed, but in finalization of all these changes, there have also been certain present stands that the government has taken with regards to Pakistan as well as China. So now the textbook, of class 12, 11, which mentioned Azad Pakistan as one of the words has been completely removed, and Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir has been added. And in terms of the Indian-China relations, of course, the India-China border dispute has been removed, and Chinese aggression on Indian borders has been specified. So certainly, with the moving times, the NCERT is also changing the syllabus. Of course, critics and historians say that it is complete mutilation of what has happened in the history, what forms our present political scenario in the country today.
Thank you, Milan, for giving us all those details. A regular updation of NCERT takes place, but it has now become an opposition versus the centre topic.